How to get fair, softer, and wrinkle-free hands naturally. Number 1. Almond oil. Almond oil is great for your skin. It helps plump and firm the skin, thus reducing the appearance of wrinkles. It is also a gentle exfoliator, so it helps remove dead skin cells and reveal the smooth, glowing skin underneath. Massage almond oil regularly onto the affected skin to eliminate dead cells and help tighten sagged skin. You can also massage your skin with coconut oil, olive oil, or vitamin E oil to prevent and reduce wrinkles. Number 2. Aloe Vera. The aloe vera plant contains malic acid that helps reduce wrinkles by improving the elasticity of your skin. Simply cut an aloe vera leaf from the plant and extract its gel. Apply the fresh gel onto your skin and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Wash it off with lukewarm water. Number 3. Bananas. Bananas are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that combat the causes of wrinkles and fine lines. Using this remedy twice per week will rejuvenate your skin and treat wrinkles in a natural manner. Mash 2 ripe bananas into a thick paste. Apply the paste on the wrinkled areas. Leave it on for at least a half an hour and then wash it off with lukewarm water. Follow it with some skin moisturizer. Number 4. Cucumber slice rub. Cut a cucumber into slices and dab them in a small amount of honey. Use the honey-coated cucumber slice to then rub over your hands, particularly focusing on the deepest and worst wrinkled areas. Continue to rub the cucumber and honey into your hands for a minimum of 5 minutes. Keeping in mind, the longer you do this, the better the results. Important tips to prevent wrinkles on hands. Avoid long sun exposure. Try to avoid unnecessary sun exposure in general for optimum skin health. After washing your hands, moisturize. You lose oils and moisture from your skin while washing away germs. It's so important to nourish your hands. Wear gloves when using harsh chemicals and cleaning detergents. While wearing gloves, you can apply lotion to your hands to also work the moisture into your hands while you clean. Stay hydrated. Drinking water is one of the easiest and most effective home remedies for treating wrinkles. Water keeps the body hydrated and maintains the moisture level in the skin. Don't smoke. Quit smoking and manage your stress levels as they damage the collagen and accelerate cellular skin aging.